Okay, Nadine and Raul, here we are at the Chelsea 2 condominiums. The property is just right over here, but I wanted to show you, this is the street it's on, and there's BYU. I hope you can see that down the street. Let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit. Yeah, so there's BYU. It is very close. That's 7th North if you want to look it up on a map. Parking for this would be, you just come down through this section here, and there's a rear entrance to the property. This is the front entrance, which probably wouldn't get used a lot. This is a 2-bedroom property. So we come up here, take a look. It's unit number 3, so it's a main level right here. Okay. So as I come in, you've got a living room. It has a bench seat with some storage in it, little bay window. Kind of show you around here a little bit. This is downstairs where that entrance would be. You've got a storage closet as you enter. Carpets, I would say, are okay. These are kind of cheap student grade. As you can see, some wear and tear. I don't know that they need to be replaced. Furnace water heater over here to your right. Here's the kitchen. Pretty basic student. You got just the laminate countertops, cupboards here. Nice window out the back. Refrigerator. This is the washer and dryer actually. So there's not necessarily really a pantry here. So you got a stackable washer and dryer. I would ask for that in the purchase because to get one that fit in there might be a little bit hard. Here's bedroom number 1. I'd say this is a medium-sized bedroom. Looks like it's got some furniture in it. Nice window. Closet here. It does have its own bathroom, so there's a pocket door here. You can see tiled floors. Shower here as well. And I'll show you bedroom number 2. Just over here. Here's bedroom number 2, and it also has its own bathroom. Here's a closet here. Here's a bathroom. And you got a shower. You also have a tile floor, and that as well. So downstairs is mainly just the entrance to parking. So you got this large mirror here. So you come downstairs. Now this might be a good storage space to keep bicycles and equipment. So you got like a small living room here that you could put bikes and stuff in. There's also this door which is locked. I don't know what's in there. And then this is to the outside. So this is where the covered parking would be. So they've got reserved parking here. You can see it's just for these buildings. We're gonna have to look on how many spaces they get. Looks like they get 1 space. And then this is where they're gonna enter on the street. So just to the left over here is BYU.